Are you doing enough to extend your water treatment closer to the source of pollution? Freshwater sources only make up 0.3% of the world's water, yet communities gravitate towards them for commerce, tourism, and all aspects of life. Eventually, these freshwater sources become polluted and algae-ridden as nutrients build up and overwhelm the natural cycles that keep them clean. At BiOWiSH, we understand that you need an easy-to-use technology that is safe for your communities and the surrounding wildlife. Our all-natural bio-augmentation product, BiOWiSH Aqua, empowers nature to reestablish equilibrium. In other words, it speeds up the natural cycle so that your ponds, lakes, and rivers can better handle incoming organic loading. All bodies of water rely on natural cycles to remain balanced. Oxygen enters the water from the atmosphere or aquatic plants and becomes part of a dissolved oxygen gradient. This gradient provides both the oxygen-rich and oxygen-deficient environments required to remove pollutants. BiOWiSH organisms assist the nitrifying bacteria by breaking down large molecules into less harmful nitrites and nitrates, reducing harmful contaminants like ammonia. In fact, BiOWiSH bacilli can convert ammonia directly into nitrous oxide under aerobic conditions, complementing the usual nitrogen cycle. At the same time, BiOWiSH microorganisms consume available carbon sources and bottom sludge, reducing biological oxygen demand. The result is less nitrogen pollution and organic loading in the water column, which means you'll improve water quality and clarity. With the return of sparkling waters come improved quality of life for local communities. Getting started with the BiOWiSH water treatment program is easy. You won't need any additional infrastructure, and you can start dosing overnight. Contact us today to reestablish equilibrium in your polluted ponds, lakes, and rivers.